Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're doing another wine review. We're going to be doing two in this video. One's the Carlo Rossi Raspberry Sangria. The other one's the Carlo Rossi Sweet Sangria. If you want to learn more about them, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're looking at two very inexpensive wines. Both of them are $3.99. From what I was told, they're making these to compete with Boone's Farm. If you're a child of the 80s, you're quite familiar with Boone's Farm. Now, we know I don't usually like red wine, but I do like raspberries. And sweet sangria, I like a sweet wine, but not overly sweet. And these are both made in Carlo Rossi vineyards in Mosquito, California. And they're both 8% alcohol. I'm sorry. This one is 7.5% alcohol, and this one's 8% alcohol. Now, these both have been refrigerated for a couple of days already. It has a mild sweetness smell to it. It's not real perfumey. I don't know if you ever had a wine that almost smells like a perfume, but it's not like that. It's a pleasant sweet smell, actually. Here's a closer look. Wow. That's actually a real good taste. Grape wine with natural flavors and caramel color. I wouldn't call that a caramel color. But I mean, that's really good. It really is. Especially for $3.99. It's not overly sweet. The flavor's not overpowering. It's just really mild and smooth. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, clean this glass, and we'll try the raspberry sangria next. Okay, go ahead and give this a little try. Now, I don't know if this actually classifies as a red wine. I wouldn't think so because it's such a light color. But once again, that's a very pleasant smell. It's fruity. I can't. It doesn't have a strong raspberry smell. Just like you're smelling a fruit bowl, to be honest. I mean, it's just a nice, pleasant, fruity smell. Not too sweet. Closer look for you. Oh man, that is really good. It has a nice raspberry taste, but it's very mild. You can tell it's a fruit blend. For $3.99, I'm really impressed by that. Yeah. If you see it in the store and you have a chance to get it, get it. I'm gonna give this a solid, for the price, a solid 5 out of 5. If it was twice expensive, I'll probably still give it a high score because, I mean, it's really good. I'm really impressed. This one was good. It's mild. It's uneventful. Like if you were outside working all day and you just wanted to sit down, relax, and have a nice glass of wine, that'd be like my summertime wine. Just something mild. It's not too sweet. Um, so overall, for $3.99, if that was a higher priced wine, say $10, I'll probably give it a 3 out of 5. But since it's a cheaper wine, I'm gonna give that about a 4.5. Definitely check this out. If you like your red wines, especially if you like raspberries, this will be really good. You will enjoy this. This, if you want something mild, give it a try. It's good, but it's nothing spectacular. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.